By Gold Dust. Maybe there's a modern railway too. Mr. Conductor's Railway. It's bumpy and bumpy. That's what Mr. Conductor told me. He talked about bumpers in his sleep. Bumpers are on the end of a railway. I think that's where we travel to. He's going to the Lost Station. You are clever. My music has been feeling very happy. I can see this around here. I'm sorry, Mr. He's heard every word you said. I'm going out to see what he does next. You better carry on and get the mail. Oh, you're very brave, Toby. Oh, he's the one partner with an old man like me. You think I'm really useless?